Hey everyone, not sure what the health status in CrystalDiskInfo actually means. Understanding your drive's health status is essential because it helps you identify potential hardware problems before they lead to data loss. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to interpret CrystalDiskInfo health status step by step. So let's get started. First, launch CrystalDiskInfo from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. The application will automatically detect all supported storage devices and display their current health information. Select the drive you want to inspect, then look near the top left area of the window for the health status indicator. This section provides a quick summary of your storage device's overall condition. CrystalDiskInfo generally displays one of three main health statuses. Good means the drive isn't currently reporting any significant smart-related issues. Caution indicates that one or more smart attributes have reached warning levels and should be monitored closely. Bad means the drive has reported serious hardware problems and should be replaced as soon as possible. If you see caution or bad, back up your important files immediately. Next, scroll down to the Smart Attributes table. The overall health status is based on these diagnostic values, including items such as reallocated sectors count, current pending sector count, uncorrectable sector count, and for SSDs, remaining life or percentage used. Don't rely only on the health status. Also monitor your drive's operating temperature because excessive heat can reduce performance and may contribute to long-term hardware wear. Continue checking CrystalDiskInfo regularly so you can notice changes before they become serious. Routine monitoring gives you time to create backups and replace a failing drive before unexpected data loss occurs. And that's how to interpret CrystalDiskInfo health status. Understanding what good, caution, and bad mean, and reviewing smart data alongside temperature can help you make informed decisions about your storage devices and protect your valuable files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.